is
buy
Katie
it.
Connor's and Kevin's documentation of a
Up and down.
a domino movie, kind of. Alright, so now we're going to set it up. We've already set one up, so this is going to take about maybe an hour and a half. Alright, so just enjoy.
Connor will be knocking it down.
Yeah. So I can't really show our faces, but so I just hope you enjoy it. Alright? Alright, it's good. Okay, hang on. We will count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4,
just hit it. Just hit it.
1.
That is a show of
It
an
failed.
epic failure. So
Epic
now
failure.
you're gonna rebuild one, and well, that was just an epic fail. Okay. Bye YouTube.